Hi, my name is Dr. Namita. Today we'll talk about a very important thing, that is a Sitz Bath Tub. A Sitz Bath Tub is basically used when you have some symptoms of piles, fissures or fistulas. It is even very important post-operatively when you have had surgeries for these conditions. So what exactly does Sitz Bath do? So when you sit in a warm tub of water, it basically helps in reducing your inflammation. Also, it helps in reducing your pain, swelling. It helps in keeping the area clean, as well as if you have certain irritations, itching, it helps in reducing those symptoms as well. So at Healing Hands Clinic, for our patients, we have innovated a Sitz Bath Tub. This is very convenient as well as hygienic to use. So we'll see how to use it. You can simply place it on a Western toilet. You can fill water till the water mark and simply just switch on the button. It will keep the water warm. The water appears in a fountain form, which helps in keeping the area clean. This is especially very convenient for people who are old as well as pregnant ladies. For such people, it becomes very difficult to sit in a warm tub of water. As well, just you can place it on a Western toilet and it becomes convenient for everybody. If you want to order the Sitz Bath Tub, you can get in touch with any of our branches. It is available in all our pharmacies, or else you can just get in touch with the number given below. Thank you.